This video is going to show you the solution for xyzThere in the string 2 set of CodingBat. So it wants us to return true if the given string contains an appearance of xyz. The tricky part is xyz cannot be preceded by a period. So I'm going to do this in 2 steps, where we're first looking at a sliding window of 4 characters, which will take care of most of the cases, and then we'll take care of an outlier, because we want to make sure for every 4 characters, if it ends with xyz, it doesn't start with a period. That's how I'm going to attack this guy. So let's do our sliding window. We want to start at 0, because remember all string indexes start at 0, and I'm going to go for the whole length. So I'm doing my string, my input, right? My string I'm calling my length method. So while I is less than or equal, less than string length, and we'll do -3 because we want less than a 4-character window. And we're going to slide that window across 1 character at a time. So we're looking at every 4 blocks of characters. So we're just going to peel off 4 characters at a time with the substring method. That returns a string, so I'm going to save it in data type string, just whatever variable makes sense to you. And I'm going to call the substring on my input. That's what I want to slide through, right? Every 4 characters at a time. And I want to change it each time through, so I'm going to use that I that I just set up. That I is my slider, right? It goes from 0 all the way to the length -3, less than length -3, 1 at a time. And I'm going to do a size 4 window, right? So this gets called each time through the loop, so this check it slides across there for us. Then all I have to do is say if it doesn't start with period, and it ends with these methods that I'm using, length, substring, starts with, ends with, they're all in the String Java API. You can come over and take a read on those. It'll explain to you how they work if you're not familiar with it. So if it doesn't start with a period and it ends with xyz, I'm just going to quit and return true. It's only looking for, it doesn't want to count, it's just looking for the existence of it. So if I find it, stop, right? Return true. When can I return false? I can't do an else return false here, because that would just check it once. If it didn't exist in the first 4, it would immediately return false and not check the rest of the string. So I can't return false until I'm done with the loop, right? So if I've gone all the way through the loop and I haven't found this existence, then I can return false. That means I have gone all the way through the string and I haven't found an xyz without a period. So this will take care of most of the cases. And you can see that that works great except for 2 cases. So it doesn't take care of if the string starts with xyz. So this is a good technique in CodingBat, and I'm trying to do the most simple solutions for entry-level programmers. So you can solve most of the cases, and then you can just come back and take care of any of the outlier cases. So what we can do here is just if the string itself starts with xyz, that satisfies our criteria, right? We can just return true, and then we'll get all checks. Okay?